What are the solutions and suggestions for reusing shipping containers? Shipping containers can be repurposed in various creative ways. Here are some solutions and suggestions for reusing shipping containers. 1. Container homes. Convert shipping containers into affordable and eco-friendly homes. Their modular nature allows for easy customization and stacking to create unique living spaces. 2. Offices and workspaces. Use shipping containers as office spaces, providing a cost-effective and quick solution for temporary or permanent work environments. 3. Pop-up shops. Create mobile or temporary retail spaces using shipping containers. They offer durability, security, and a distinctive aesthetic for businesses. 4. Art studios. Transform containers into art studios or creative workspaces. The compact size is ideal for artists looking for a private and functional workspace. 5. Cafes and restaurants. Design trendy cafes or restaurants using shipping containers. The modular design allows for easy expansion or relocation if needed. 6. Storage units. Utilize shipping containers for secure storage solutions. They are weather resistant and can be modified to meet specific storage needs. 7. Emergency shelters. Deploy shipping containers as emergency shelters during disasters. They can be quickly transported and set up to provide temporary housing. 8. Urban farming. Convert containers into hydroponic or aquaponic farms, enabling efficient and controlled urban agriculture. 9. Playgrounds. Design unique playgrounds or recreational spaces for communities by repurposing containers into climbing structures or interactive installations. 10. Education centers. Establish educational facilities or training centers in remote areas using shipping containers. They can be equipped with necessary infrastructure for learning. 11. Hotels and hostels. Create budget-friendly accommodation options by transforming shipping containers into compact hotel rooms or hostels. 12. Gardening and greenhouses. Use containers for gardening or as greenhouse structures. Their mobility allows for easy relocation to optimize sunlight exposure. 13. Workout studios. Convert containers into fitness studios or gyms, providing a dedicated space for exercise and wellness activities. 14. Mobile libraries. Develop mobile libraries using shipping containers to bring books and educational resources to different communities. 15. Waterfront structures. Utilize containers for waterfront structures like cafes, observation decks, or recreational spaces, taking advantage of the durability in coastal environments. Remember to consider insulation, ventilation, and other modifications based on the intended use when repurposing shipping containers.